Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to restore default hard disk drive icon in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the keyboard, press Windows and R key together to open the small window called Run. Where here, you need to type for regedit. Again, type regedit. The moment you have typed it, click on OK to proceed. Okay. So your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to run this window called the registry editor. Okay, let me just close everything so that we can start from scratch. Okay. So the very first thing that you need to do is you need to proceed on a file folder named hkey underscore local underscore machine. And once you have selected it, double tap or can simply click the forward arrow so that you would be able to see the file folders under the HKey local machine. Okay, so here you need to proceed on software, double tap again, and this time you need to look for Microsoft. Once you have find it, double tap again, and this time you need to look for Windows. So use this and then scroll down and look for Windows. Okay, so just begin in finding such since there are a lot of file folders listed here. So I can see it is being placed next to Winmouth in my case. So once you have find it, just have to double tap it again. And this time you need to go with current version. Click on it, double tap, and here you need to look for Explorer. Okay. Once you have find it, double tap it once again. And this time you need to look for drive icons. Okay. Double tap and if it doesn't contain any file folder, then that's good. I mean, that's completely fine. Okay. Now here's the catch. You need to create a new key depending on the drive layer that you have in your Windows. Okay. So how would you be able to create such? Okay. So here at the drive icons, just have to do a right click, go with new, and there you would be able to see an option called key. Click on it. And here you need to name it depending on the drive letters that you have. Okay. How you can check, just have to open your file explorer and there you would be able to see a letter which is enclosed by a parenthesis. Okay, so go with the C drive and just have to go back to your, registry editor and do a right click, go with rename and name it letter C. Okay, once you have renamed that, click on enter and you need to select it again, go with new, go with key, and this time you need to name that default icon. Okay, click on enter and proceed to the center of the screen. Double tap that and make sure that no value is, no value data is being set. Click on OK. Once you're done, proceed on creating a new file folder, which would depend again on the drive letters that you have in your flash drive. Okay, so you can see a letter there, letter M in my case. Just have to go with the drive letter which is being enclosed by the parentheses. Close this window, and then here you need to click your drive icons again. Do a right click, click on new, go with key, and change that into the drive letters that you have. Click on enter and click on it again, new, then key, then type that default icon. So let me just go back again since I have accidentally tapped something here. Sorry for that, okay? So here, let's go with Microsoft, go with our Windows, okay? So my apologies. Okay, so now it's here. Let's name this default icon, rename, and you click on enter. So proceed to the center of the screen and make sure that no value is being set. Double tap and that's good. Click on OK. Now proceed on creating such. If you have a lot of USB flash drive, if you have two or more flash drive, just have to set create a folder by naming it into the drive letters that you have depending on your USB flash drive. And once you're done, once you have set it here, just have to close this window and you need to restart your computer. Just have to restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed, okay? So that's how simple to fix your problem. If you think this video helps you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.